Insert a video. To insert a video, you will use the Insert Stuff button. There are many options, but we only recommend using the YouTube option or the Enter the Embed Code option. For YouTube, you have the option to enter a video using a YouTube URL, or you can also find the embed code using the Share button beneath the video player. Select the Embed option and copy the embed code. For Kaltura, find the Share button and copy the embed link. Once you have the embed code, select the Insert Stuff button within the HTML editor window and select the Enter the Embed Code option. Paste the embed code and select Next. Select Insert if you are happy with the video in the preview window. Now your video is embedded within your HTML template. We do not recommend uploading from My Computer. It is better to first upload your video into My Media, also known as Kaltura, and then add to the course using the embed code.